Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How to Easily Track Your Bathroom Remodel in Real Time. Imagine this. You're undertaking a bathroom remodel, and you're as anxious as a cat in a room full of rocking chairs. The project is a whirlwind of dust, tiles, and contractor lingo, and somehow you're expected to navigate this hurricane like a pro. But fear not, my friends, because I've got some surefire tips to help you track your project in real time and keep those renovation jitters at bay. First things first, technology is your new best friend. Look for apps that are tailor-made for project management like Buildertrend or CoConstruct. They're like having a digital project manager right in your pocket. These tools allow you to monitor your timeline, review expenses, and receive updates from your contractor that are as fresh as a morning breeze. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. Communicate clearly from the outset that you want regular progress reports. Whether it's daily logs or weekly catch-ups, make it clear you expect to be kept in the loop as regularly as your mail delivery. It makes a world of difference when you know what's going on behind those closed doors without having to pop in constantly like a concerned sitcom neighbor. Next up, embrace the power of the webcam. Setting up a simple camera in the remodel zone can give you peace of mind and an extra pair of eyes. It's like having your own mini reality show minus the drama. You get to see the progress, be part of the process, and spot any potential setbacks like Sherlock Holmes with a magnifying glass, all from the comfort of your couch. And let's talk collaboration. Make sure the lines of communication between you and your contractor are tighter than a drum. Platforms like Google Sheets or Trello can be lifesavers, allowing you to share updates, checklists, and photos. It's the 21st century way of having a conversation, minus the ever-elusive phone tag. Lastly, remember to celebrate the milestones, big or small. Maybe that's a completed tiling job or finally seeing the shower fully installed. It's important for morale and keeps you motivated as you edge closer to that final reveal. With these strategies, tracking your bathroom remodel in real time becomes less about stress and more about harnessing the excitement of transformation. You'll be equipped to keep tabs without losing your cool. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.